Today I've got a new friend to introduce. Her name is Fluffy, along with her baby Kitty. Fluffy is a dog. Fluffy is ein Hund. A dog, ein Hund. A dog is called Fluffy. Mein Hund heißt Fluffy. This is Fluffy's nose. Das ist Fluffy's Nase. Nose, Nase. And these are Fluffy's eyes. Das sind Fluffy's Augen. Eyes, Augen. These are Fluffy's ears and legs. Das sind Fluffy's Ohren und Beine. Paws are Pfoten. Fluffy has a head. Fluffy hat einen Kopf. Because Fluffy is a dog, his mouth is called eine Schnauze. It's not called Mund. Schnauze. Fluffy hat eine Schnauze. Ich habe einen Mund. Fluffy has a mouth. And I have a mouth. Do you like my dog? Magst du mein Hund? If yes, then please subscribe. Fluffy has a tail. Tail in German is Schwanz. And he also has a baby, a puppy. And in German it's Welpe. As we know, dogs bark, Hunde bellen. Woof, woof. And as you probably know, in the summers, dogs do this. It's called Hecheln in German. Mein Hund hechelt. Fluffy hechelt. Bye everyone. Hope to see you soon.